What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Tom Nook from Animal Crossing. Let's get started. In the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. So we start all the way over on the left side at the very top. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of the oval. And then pull that back up towards the top. Now we're going to line this up along the right side and draw the same thing. Just going to bring that down towards the same height. And then bring that back up towards the top. Let's add in the eyelids. We're going to start on the left side of the eye. We're going to angle up and in with a straight line. Line this up on the right, come down and out. Let's trace the bottom half of the eye along the inside for the pupil. So on the left, we're going to step in. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom and then back up on the inside. Now we're going to move out and draw the trim around the eyes. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out. Just going to curve up in the middle, round this out, and then come down on the right. Let's pull the trim down around the bottom of the eye, starting back on the left, come down, just pull that up on the inside. And then we'll connect the inside with a curve. You're going to go up in the middle, and bend that back down. Let's move to the center and draw on the nose. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. And from here we're going to angle down and out toward the left and right side. And then we'll round up the side of the nose, come down in towards the middle, and back up and in on the right. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move out and draw the outside edge of the head. We're going to line up at the bottom edge of this trim, step out towards the left, and curve around, then up towards the middle, and then work our way out and then down on the right side. Now we're going to round out the jaw and then come down just underneath the nose. We'll start on the left. So round this out, come down and in, go out and up on the right. Let's move back up to the top and draw on the ears. We're going to line up with the center of the left eye, step up towards the top of the head, and draw a circle. We'll go up, come around, and then back in towards the side of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, around, and then in. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Starting from the side of the head, draw another circle. Going all the way around, and then back in. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start over on the left side underneath the head, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. Just going to bring that down towards the same height. Let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and back up on the right. And I want to go back and add some detail to the body. Let's start with the trim along the bottom. Starting from the left corner, we'll step up, just follow that same curve, coming down, and then up, and we'll add some texture along the trim. Starting from the center, start with a straight line, move over towards the left. I'm just going to continue all the way out towards the side of the body. Go back to the center, step over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's go back up to the top underneath the chin, step down, start with another point. We'll add the collar of the vest, coming out and up, go back to the center, do the same thing. Now it's going to trace the collar out along the outside. So we're going to step out, come down and in towards the middle, go out and up. Let's add the shirt collar and tie, starting in the middle and go down and out towards the left and right. We're going to step up, about two short angle lines coming in, close off the bottom with a straight line, and then from the bottom corners of the knot, angle down and out in behind the vest. Let's add that argyle pattern inside the sweater. From the center point, step down, start with another point, and draw a diamond, coming down and out toward the left and right, and come back down and in towards the middle. Let's leave a gap and do the same thing on the side. So we're going to line at the top, and go down and out toward the side, and come back down and in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add another point in between the diamonds. Starting on the outside, go up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Do the same thing along the bottom, coming down and then up. And then we'll add that pocket and pen on the right side. Start with a straight line, come down the sides with a short line, and then go across the bottom. Now we're going to add that pen. In the center, draw 2 straight lines going up, and then close off the top. Now I'm going to move down and draw the lower torso. Starting over on the left side, come down the middle, and back up, and then leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left and right side. Let's move back up to the hips and draw on the outside of the leg. Starting on the left, come down, and then just bend that in towards the same height that we have on the inside. And we'll connect the outside to the inside with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's separate the bottom of the pant. Starting on the left, come down and up, line this up on the right. Now let's move back up and draw on the left arm. We start halfway between the bottom of the head and the bottom of the sweater. So starting right here, curve the arm going out and then down, round up the hand, and then pull that back up. Now I'm going to curve the arm going up and in underneath the head on the left. Let's go over towards the right side underneath the head, curve the arm coming down and then out, round up the hand. Just going to pull this down and in towards the side of the body. And now we're going to separate out the sleeve. Starting from the inside of the left arm, curve up and then out. Go to the top of the right arm, curve out and then down. And then finally we'll add the tail on the right side. Starting from the side of the body, draw a half circle, going around, down, and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's Tom Nook from Animal Crossing. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.